Hello guys, this is Arkneil Gaming and there will be an update on the Magic Wheel on New Year's. So you won't be able to use Crystal of Aurora anymore on draws in the Magic Wheel. So what am I about to do is I have 707 Magic Cores. I'll try to get it up to 800 and I have 5,956 Crystal of Aurora. Let's see if we can make it. Let's draw 5 guys. An average of 5 cores per 5 draws. Sometimes you get 10. Another 10. Not gonna use that now. Another 5. I wish they added the Phantom Pirate painted skin here. I wanted that one. Let's continue. Another 10. Nice. We're at 747 now. And we didn't get anything. Bad draw. 757. We got Ice Spike. Another 5. Another 10. Nice, another 10. Oh, 797. Nice. So should we use the magic cores, magic potions, or just use the 5 times draw? Let's just use this and another 10. So that's it guys, 807 magic cores, and we only made around 55 draws or 65. Let's claim all the magic dust. Unfortunately, we already have a max emblem on all our accounts. So that's it guys. I suggest you do the same guys before you won't be able to use Crystal of Aurora in the future. Thank you for watching.